Now in this lecture, we learn about static member function. In the previous lecture, we have learned about static data member. Here we learn about static member function. And for that, we need static variable as well. So let's suppose we have created a class integer. This is about static member function. So first of all, we have created a class integer with one static data member x. And you can see that here we have written the keyword static. And now in the public section, we have declared static member function. And by writing the keyword static, void display, which will display the value of x. And then we have closed the class. And after the class, we have assigned the value to x by using scope resolution operator. Int integer scope resolution operator x is equal to 100. So here we have assigned the value 100 to x. Now in the main section, in the main function, we have created object of class integer x, and x dot display will call this display function, and here the value of x will be displayed as 100. You must remember that for displaying the value of static member functions, static function can only display the value of static variables. So let's see the output of this program. You can see over here in the output screen, value of x is equal to 100 is displayed. So this is all about static member function.